Hey guys, back to the doghouse today. Today is exhaust system day, so let's get at her. There, wouldn't you know it? Just started my second run of the exhaust. I got one tack, and then my welds became really crappy, and a little crappier than they normally are. And I discovered I'm out of gas. Let's get at her, pitter patter. Yeah, I don't know how much you guys pay for gas for your MIG welders, but I got this bottle here. As you can see, it's not very big. I don't know how many pounds it holds or whatever, but this year was 80 bucks. And then with the taxes and whatever that other fee is, ended up cost me $93 total. But they got it, I need it, I gotta pay the piper. So anyway, let's get her done. Here's something interesting here. I was grinding and I noticed there was a bit of a vibration in my wheel. Not as bad as that, but here's what it is. You get a cheap wheel or get a wheel that's on sale, you can see this is the only part that's making contact. This here's not even making contact with the part. And you can see, you know, like this. That's a big dip. And that's why it was bouncing all the time. So anyway, take this grinding disc on and put on another one before it ends up wrecking my bearings. And continue on with the show. Rocker Pat, you have an extra hoist. Send it down to an old Canadian boy. I bought this little level off Amazon. It is very, very handy, especially doing pinion angles and little stuff in tight quarters. For a pinion angle, if you're down under your vehicle and you really can't get a big angle finder in there or whatever, you can put this up there. Find out your angle, push the hold button, then you got it forever. So it's 1.22, show you that you're at 1.22, negative or being positive. So you just go to your axle and set it for 1.22 and done deal. I love it. Son of a gun. God, I wish I had a hoist. And hard to see with your eyes closed. Anyway, sturdy enough until I can pull it out, get it welded up. There, so all I do is take it apart, weld it up, put it together. Do this 2 or 3 times and should be good. Rocker Pat, you have an extra hoist. Send it down to an old Canadian boy. Should be perfect. Famous last words. Angle. So put this on, and then I guess I got lots of straight pipe left over. Anyway, here's where we started. This here being the driver's side. Coming down kind of a little jog thing there. It's kind of like an S turn. Then we go straight back, and here I got the different setup here for the passenger side. And the underbelly. Now here, I had to go under my gas tank, but I'm going to put a heat shield here and some not fire retardant, but heat resistant material stuff. So anyway, here we go. Nice straight pipes. I measured it all the way to make sure that I had a little bit of a down slope for everything, let the moisture run out. And I kept on measuring from the side of the exhaust out to the frame on both sides, so I know that this side here, this side here, they're going to be equal. Then here's above the truck, see my handiwork here going over top of the axle. And then I put a level across there to make sure they're both the same height. As you can see, I hope you can see anyway, they're good. So nothing worse than looking at the back of a vehicle and having the exhausts not even coming out the back. Mine are dead straight, and they're dead even going from the side to the frame. Same as on this side here. Well, this is what I've been waiting for. Got all the mufflers done. This job is going to be wrapped up. But anyway, I'm going to fire it up and let's see what it sounds like. I'm kind of looking forward to it. Sounds a lot better than it did before. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for sticking around. I'm going to make another one tomorrow or the next day. But I'm going to stopped production for a couple of days. I want to get this mess cleaned up. It's absolutely terrible. And I mean terrible. 1,200 square feet I got here. And I'm using maybe 200 square feet. The rest is just junk. It's all my tools, all my disorganization. But anyway, thanks guys. We'll see when I go to put my shifter in. Can't get it moving unless I put a shifter in. So anyway, talk to you later. Thanks a lot guys. Bye now.